If you're having a hard time finding yeast, that's not a problem. You can still bake delicious bread with just 6 ingredients. This recipe comes from Irish soda bread and is a really easy way to make bread without needing any yeast. All you need is 6 basic ingredients: flour, salt, baking soda, sugar, butter, and buttermilk. Now I don't actually have buttermilk, so I'm going to make my own by mixing regular 2% milk with a little bit of vinegar. This is the secret to this recipe and why you don't need yeast. Because the buttermilk is slightly acidic, it's going to react with the baking soda, producing gas inside the dough, causing it to rise. Before you begin, you should melt down your butter. This will make it easier to work into the dough. I'm also going to be using raw honey instead of refined sugar, but either one will work. The recipe itself is really easy and straightforward. Just combine your dry ingredients in a bowl, and then mix in the melted butter, and then the honey. Now you want to fold in your buttermilk. Don't do it all at once. Use 3 or 4 smaller pours as you're folding it in. Once your dough is ready, use your hands to form it into a ball, and then flatten it down into a disc. Give the outside of the dough a final brush with buttermilk, and then score the top with a sharp knife. This will allow the center of the bread to bake completely. Put the dough in a 400-degree preheated oven for 45 minutes. Halfway through baking, you can loosely cover the bread with aluminum foil, and that'll keep the edges from overbaking. And just like that, you've got fresh baked bread without needing any yeast.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.